Hi, Michael from Masseuse Massage. I'm here today to talk to you about the ultimate Chiro massage chair, one of the best chairs we've ever had in our range. This video is going to talk to you specifically about the AirSpa program that you can apply using the ultimate Chiro massage chair. So basically what the AirSpa is air cushions working together to apply pressure to different parts of your body to relieve aches and pains. Now, one thing that's important to note is the air cushions on the shoulder are actually adjustable. You've got two settings in, and then you can go back to your widest setting as well. Both sides obviously work the same. In order to work the AirSpa massage, you've got this air pressure button here. When it first turns on, all of the air cushions are engaged. If you press the air pressure button here, it will turn off the legs and feet and just do the shoulders and the arms. If I press it again, it will flip that around. If I press it one more time, it turns all of the air cushions off. If I turn it back on, I can also show you this air intensity button here. There's 3 different intensities that you can run the air cushions under, and obviously that just adjusts the pressure that's being applied. Last but not least, you've got this reflexology roller button here. You can adjust the speed of the reflexology rollers, and you can also turn them off if you prefer not to use it. Those reflexology rollers are one of the best features of this chair, and I highly encourage you to set them on the perfect speed for you so that you can enjoy the benefits of them. Hope you enjoy your massage. Have a great day.